Number 1. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $4,800 and located in DeForest, Wisconsin, is a prime candidate for restoration. With 100,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, it showcases a sleek silver exterior with a gray interior. The Thunderbird, part of Ford's luxury lineup, was known for its stylish design and smooth performance. This model includes several new parts, such as a fuel tank, battery, rear tires, and a new carburetor. While it is running and drivable, the vehicle sat for 7 years before the current owner acquired it, meaning additional work will be needed to fully restore it. Despite needing some attention, this Thunderbird offers excellent potential for customization or a complete restoration. Number 2. Located in St. Clair, Michigan, this 1968 Chevrolet Corvair 500 is available for $4,500. The Corvair is a unique piece of automotive history, being one of the few American cars to feature a rear-mounted air-cooled engine. It comes with a manual transmission and sports a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The vehicle is in good condition and has seen a variety of recent updates, including new wheels, tires, and ignition parts. The car's distinctive design and rear engine layout make it a favorite among collectors, and this one runs and drives well, offering a fantastic driving experience for those looking to enjoy a piece of Chevrolet's history. Number 3. Offered at $4,000 in San Antonio, Texas, this 1977 Chrysler Cordoba is a solid project car for enthusiasts. Marketed as a personal luxury vehicle, the Cordoba is known for its distinctive styling and comfort. Although this car has been sitting for some time and hasn't been started recently, the seller notes that both the engine and transmission are in good condition. It includes a new carburetor and comes with original rims. The interior remains in very good shape, making it a promising project for anyone interested in restoring a classic piece of 1970s luxury. The seller is open to negotiations and has provided photos detailing the current condition of the body, showcasing its potential for restoration. Number 4. Located in Humble, Texas, this 1976 Ford F-150 is listed for $4,300. Renowned for its durability and ruggedness, the F-150 line has a solid reputation for reliability and strength. This model features a V6 4.9L engine and an automatic transmission. The seller mentions that it runs well, has new tires, and recently underwent an oil change. With a leather interior and space for a second gas tank, this truck is an excellent candidate for anyone looking for a project. Having had only 2 previous owners, this F-150 has been well cared for, and while it requires a few minor fixes, it represents a fantastic piece of Ford's truck history. Number 5. This 1968 Plymouth Sport Fury, priced at $3,500 and located in Owatonna, Minnesota, is a full-size car with a rich history in American automotive culture. Powered by a 3-18 cubic inch V8 engine, this model appears to have undergone an older restoration, featuring solid floor pans and an underbody in excellent condition. Some Bondo work is visible on the driver's rear quarter panel. While the car turns over, it is currently not running due to a burned-out Pertronix ignition module. The seller originally purchased the vehicle from an impound lot intending to restore it, but changes in living circumstances have prevented the continuation of the project. It comes with a bonded title and recent plates, making it a promising option for someone looking to restore a classic American car. Number 6. This 1967 Ford Falcon, offered at $4,600 and located in Lebanon, Tennessee, is a highly original classic with only 50,000 miles on the clock. Powered by a reliable automatic transmission, this Falcon features an eye-catching green exterior and matching interior. Known for its practicality and fuel efficiency, it impressively delivers around 30 miles per gallon, making it a fun and economical car to drive. The seller has maintained the vehicle well, performing regular oil changes and avoiding excessive highway speeds to keep the engine in top condition. For any classic car enthusiast, this Falcon presents a fantastic opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Ford history. perfect for leisurely drives or as a collectible addition to any garage. Number 7. Located in Fenton, Michigan, this 1972 Chevrolet Malibu is available for $4,000. As a 4-door Survivor model, it comes equipped with a 327 small block V8 engine, although it hasn't been tested to see if it runs. The seller purchased it as a project and mentions that the frame appears solid, but the car has rust and requires extensive work. The interior is in decent condition, making this Malibu a worthy project for someone willing to invest time and effort. The seller is open to trades of equal value and is particularly interested in a storage container or a bus, providing flexibility for potential buyers. Number 8. Listed for $4,915 in St. Paul, Minnesota, this 1978 Chevrolet Camaro LT is a Southern car with minimal rust. The Camaro has long been a symbol of American muscle, and this particular model, with 140,000 miles on the odometer, exemplifies that legacy. It features an automatic transmission and remains stock, with the seller seeking a buyer who appreciates the car's history. Life changes are prompting the sale, but the seller hopes to find someone who will preserve the Camaro's originality rather than turning it into a custom hot rod. This car presents a fantastic opportunity for a classic car enthusiast to own a piece of automotive heritage. Number 9. This 1978 Ford F100, located in Faribault, Minnesota, is listed for $4,500. Powered by a robust 300 inline 6-cylinder engine, this F100 features a C6 transmission and a 9-inch rear end. The truck runs and drives, but it will require some restoration work, including installing the actuators for the shaved door handles and addressing rust spots on the body and floor. Although the current tires are worn, the seller is including a set of wheels and tires at no extra cost. Known for its toughness, this F100 offers a solid foundation for restoration, making it a great project for enthusiasts looking to bring a classic truck back to life. Number 10. Located in Kerrville, Texas, this 1972 Mercedes-Benz 220D is listed as a parts-only vehicle for $800. Featuring a 4-speed manual transmission and an air conditioning system, the car is in poor condition and will need to be towed by the buyer. While it's unlikely to return to the road, the 220D could provide valuable parts for someone restoring a similar model. This makes it a practical choice for enthusiasts in need of specific components or for those looking to preserve the legacy of this classic Mercedes-Benz. With its distinctive design and engineering, this 220D could serve as a great resource for a restoration project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Car Quest for more exciting classic car reviews. See you in the next video.